So we are going to create our Meta account. So first, you go to this website. I'll put the link in the description. So you can either continue with Facebook, Instagram, or email. So I'm using email. So you input your email and then you continue. So the necessary details, your birthday, yes, your birthday, password, and then we continue. And so now it gives you an automatic username. You can change it if you want to, and then you can add a name if you want to. It's optional. So now, after you're done, and some codes will be sent to your email, the email you used. And so you input those codes here, continue, and then the Meta account has been created. Thank you.